The U-23 Baseball World Cup is a biennial, professional-level, national team baseball world championship of the World Baseball Softball Confederation, WBSC, replacing Baseball World Cup. The inaugural tournament was held in November 2014, in Taichung, Taiwan, as the 21U Baseball World Cup, with each team made of 21-year-old and younger players but allowed for 6 players to be 23-year-old and younger, starting with the 2016 edition. In Monterrey, Mexico, the tournament has been expanded to permit nations to select players up to 23 years old for their entire rosters. Players must also possess valid passports of the nations they are representing, in line with Olympic standards. The U-23 Baseball World Cup is the third most important international baseball tournament in terms of distribution of world ranking points, following the Premier 12 and the World Baseball Classic. The rosters of national teams that participated in the tournament included professional players from clubs affiliated to the Australian Baseball League, Chinese Professional Baseball League, Korean Baseball Organization, Major League Baseball, Mexican Baseball League, Nicaraguan Professional Baseball League, and Nippon Professional Baseball. Results. Medal table. See also. Baseball Awards section. World Baseball at the Summer Universiade. World University Baseball Championship. U-23 Baseball World Cup. WBSC official website. IBAF introduces new format of international tournaments. IBAF official website. Hosting rights of 2016 Baseball World Cups awarded to Japan, Mexico, South Korea. IBAF official website.